Good morning, students. Today lesson Unit 10 Types of Chemical Reactions. Unit 10 Types of Chemical Reactions. Today topic, what is chemical reaction? Examples of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions in our daily life. Energy sources. Effect of chemical reactions. What happens during chemical reactions? First, what is chemical reaction? A chemical reaction is in which the bonds are broken within reactant molecules and new bonds are formed within product molecules in order to form a new substance. This is chemical reaction. What is chemical reaction? A chemical reaction is in which the bonds are broken within reactant molecules and new bonds are formed within product molecules in order to form a new substance. Examples of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions are all around us. From the metabolism, what is metabolism? The breakdown of food and its transformation into energy. The breakdown of food and its transformation into energy, that is metabolism. Chemical reactions are all around us, from the metabolism of food in our body to how the light we get from the sun. Metabolism of food in our body, and second one, how the light we get from the sun is a result of chemical reactions. This is a human digestive system. This is metabolism in our human digestive system. A light energy from sun. We need energy to play, walk, run, or to perform various physical activities. Where do we get the energy from? This is the question. We need energy to play, walk, run, or to perform various physical activities. Where do we get the energy from? We get energy from the digestion of food we eat. We need energy to play, walk, or doing some exercise, run, some exercise, drinking. These are also daily activities. To perform various physical activities, where do we get the energy? We get energy from the digestion of the food we eat. How do plants grow and get their food? Plants grow by absorbing nutrients from the earth. Plants absorbing nutrients from the earth and get their food by photosynthesis. Plants grow by absorbing nutrients from the earth. And get their food by photosynthesis. Next, how does a car move using fuel? The combustion of a fuel makes the car to move. The combustion of a fuel makes the car to move. Why does iron rust on its exposure to water or air. Oxidation of iron causes rusting. Oxidation of iron causes rusting. The materials which undergo changes are converted into some other new materials. The materials which undergo changes are converted into some other new materials. For example, by burning petrol, the hydrocarbons present in it are converted into carbon dioxide and water. In this chapter, let us discuss the nature and types of chemical reactions. Nature and types of chemical reactions. What happens during a chemical reaction? This is important. In a chemical reaction, the atoms of the reacting molecules or elements are rearranged to form new molecules. In a chemical reaction, the atoms of the reacting molecules, these are reacting molecules, CH4 and 2O2. These are reacting molecules or elements are arranged to form a new molecules. Okay, here oxygen and CH4. The new molecules CO2 and 2H2O. CH4 and 2O2, oxygen and CH4 methane to form carbon dioxide and water. That is, the elements are rearranged to form a new molecule. These are also new molecules. Next, old chemical bonds between atoms are broken and new chemical bonds are formed. The second point, old chemical bonds between atoms are broken to Mg plus O2 to form 2MgO to new product. Entirely it's a new product. Magnesium plus oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Carbon plus oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Old chemical bonds between atoms are broken and new chemical bonds are formed. Here 2H2O. 2H2O form 2H2 plus O2. So, new chemical bonds are formed from hydrogen and oxygen. Old chemical bonds between atoms are broken. Okay, between 2H2O to break down and to form new bonds. Bond breaking absorbs energy. Bond breaking absorbs energy, whereas bond formation releases energy. For bond breaking, energy is needed. At the time of formation of bond, energy is released. So, bond breaking absorbs energy, whereas bond formation release energy, heat energy is given out. The name of bond making. Okay. So, different type of atoms to form the bond between two atoms. Decomposition reaction. So, Cl and Na, NaCl converted into Cl and Na. Bond or breaks down between sodium and chlorine. Okay. Bond breaking absorbs energy, whereas bond formation release energy.